Pablo, go to bed. Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are on the vine with Pablo the farm cat. Pablo, have you don't look at me like that, Pablo. Pablo, go to bed. Have you had your Friskies? He's had his Friskies and he's feeling he's feeling good. Thumbs up for Pablo. Pablo the farm cat. Something just flew on me, a mosquito. Pablo the farm cat. Thumbs up if you love Pablo in the comment section. So here we are outside Ophelia's Bluevine Farm in a live video. Another live video outside Ophelia's, the #1 true urban farm in America, putting in the work. You know, when I was younger, I thought I had all the time in the world. But as I got older, I realized that our clock is counting down. Our clock is counting down, and we thought we had forever, but we don't. And so what do we have to do? We can't speed up time, but we have to make the most of what we have. So we have 24 hours in a day. So we work, we play, we work some more. That leaves very little time left for personal development. But if you love what you do, then the time you put in, the work you put in, you don't even feel it, and it doesn't matter. And you will have to put in the work. Trust Farmer Mike, I spent 10,000 hours of failing, 10,000 hours of failing before I got to this point. So you won't have to. You put in the work, created a YouTube channel, and gave away the knowledge for free to inspire other people to get them into urban farming and to get them into becoming self-sufficient. Learn how to thrive, survive, stay alive, prepare, feed your family, grow your own produce. You can become a master gardener just by following the channel, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. Just watching all my videos, Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. So here we are, putting in the work. And I wish I had more time, but I don't. So I leave you with this very important question. What are you doing with your time? Are you putting off tomorrow for something that you could do today? Are you putting off tomorrow things that you need to be doing today? Let me know in the comment section. A lot of us are saving up. A lot of us are waiting for tomorrow. Well, tomorrow may never come. For some folks, tomorrow will never come. And in the end, will you want to say to yourself, man, I wish I would have lived that. I wish I would have tasted that. I wish I would have done that. I wish I would have been that. Can I get a witness? If you're this far in the video, in the comment section. So I do these live videos because we can connect to anyone in the world right now live on this platform. So you have no excuse not to reach out to Farmer Mike like Farmer Bob, because we're passing on the knowledge. When we're gone, hopefully, when we're gone, it'll be left in these videos. But this is your opportunity. Perhaps on a live, I misspoke. Perhaps on a live, you didn't quite see how I did that. Reach out to Farmer Mike on this live video. And also, this is really unique in the form of itself. The form kind of like documentary form, raw, unfiltered, unnatural, you know. And so you can see Farmer Mike and Pablo the farm cat. Pablo, what are you doing? Pablo, get out of the street. Didn't your mother ever teach you not to play in the street, Pablo? Pablo? What are we going to do with you? And Pablo the farm cat hasn't brought me one mouse yet. But the other day, he did munch up on a cricket. What's up with that? Have you seen your cat eat a cricket, play with a cricket, and then eat it? That's pretty much disturbing. You know what they say about black cats? Pablo, it's Halloween! Anyway. I'm amped up. Someone gave me free coffee today, so I've had an extra 2 pots, and I'm wired up and I'm fired up. But tomorrow morning we'll do it again. Because tomorrow morning is promised to no one. So make sure you put in the work. today. Put in the work today. That's the topic of today's masterclass. We can always make more money, but we can never get our time back. Your most valuable asset, time. Why not spend it doing what you love, even if you're working out late until the street lights come on? So here we are at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, grandmother Ophelia, yay, the #1 urban farm in America, because we put in that work. And we give away the knowledge, 540 videos, nobody's doing that. A lot of people are showing you how they make money. A lot of people are showing you, how they farm, but they're not giving away the secrets. They're not giving away the secrets. That's what makes us unique in the community, serving the community, truly serving the community, especially through our educational channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, what real food tastes like. All right, Pablo, it's time for you to say goodbye. Pablo the farm cat says, you're just so soft. You're like a nice warm softy pillow. Oh, I wish you could. What was that, Pablo? I speak catese. What's that, Pablo? Don't forget to like and subscribe. #1, yeah, I told that. Oh, he says check him out on his Instagram page, The Real Pablo the Farm Cat on Instagram. Anyway, I gotta go. Hope you enjoy this live Facebook rant, or rather masterclass. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.